Whisper. Wait. Yeah. That just lit up real quick.
No, it's me, it's me.
What's up guys, how you guys doing? Back with another video here in Globe, Arizona. So last video you guys seen was at Globe Jail or Gila Jail, county jail. So tonight we're at Train Depot in the building right next to it as well. We're gonna investigate a separate video, and that was all where they brought soldiers from World War I, World War II, and they also brought people from time where they had the Spanish flu. So I got Mo here with me, I got her daughter upstairs, and I got Jenna with me upstairs. We're gonna see what we can catch, and we already had the motion sensor upstairs that we set go off. We're gonna cut all the lights off. We're gonna go complete dark, and we're gonna see what we can conjure up here. So we're gonna start in this room here, first room in the beginning of this hallway. We're gonna do a spirit box session. We have a couple K2 meters set up, and Mo has the SLS on her phone running as well. I know it's still kind of early. It's not really time for you guys to come out and talk, but if you'd like to, you can.
Last night they were already out at this time.
Yeah. Okay, let's try spirit box. Who's talking? Can you give us your name?
That could have been Kip.
Kip, was that you? If I put the antenna up, would that be better for you? Here, 1 second. Who are we speaking with? Glory. Or Gloria?
I heard Gloria.
How many of you are here with us tonight? Relationship. Kip, where is your office? Can you tell us where your office is? Come on. Do you want us to go there? Haters. Or later? You want us to go to your office later? Please. Okay, we can do that. Who do you want in your office? There's 4 of us here. Which one do you want in the office? We're gonna try a different one, Kip, okay? I know this one's probably a little bit harder for you to use. 1 second, please. Hi, Kip. Who else is here with us? Here. We know you're here. There's a motion sensor out in the hallway. Can you make that light up?
Mom?
Are you looking for your mother? Can you make this K2 right up here light up? All you have to do is touch it, it'll light up. That just lit up real quick. Thank you. Who was that lit it up? That's me moving stuff around. Do you know our names? Can you say one of our names? That just lit up again. Well, my name's Fluff. Hi. Who's sitting next to me?
Mo?
Mo's sitting across from me. Who's sitting next to me? Hi, Kip. Nice to meet you. Just said Mo in a whisper. Said Mo whisper. It went, yeah. My battery's dying.
Your camera?
Yeah, it's flashing red.
Wow.
I just picked up the camera. I was sitting down there and it was fully charged because I charged it. And I made sure it was charged because I left it on the charger.
They're using that energy.
Go ahead and use all that energy.
You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Kip, is that you? Can you show yourself in that glass window right there where that door is? If so, light that K2 up for me.
Oh wow.
I heard.
Thank you for that.
Dude, it like straight up like.
I kind of see a silhouette of a person standing at that door, but I can't be sure if it's the glare from the light.
I don't know.
But I see like a person's face and long black hair. But it could just be me. If that's you standing there, can you light that K2 up? Or anyone else that may be standing there? It doesn't just have to be Kip, it can be anyone.
Can you tell us your name? We heard Gloria.
Can you tell us if you are a passenger that came here to get on the train, or did you used to work here? Something was just dripping from the ceiling because it landed right next to the Book of Blessings. Don't know if that was a bug or a piece of dust, but something fell from the ceiling. And it was on this side right here. I just seen it. No.
There's nothing.
It could have just been a bug.
Could have been. Alright, I had to change my battery out. One battery down already. I have a total of 4 of them. I have 2 with me. Okay, Kip. Do you want us to turn the spirit box back on so you can speak?
I wonder if he's a prankster like that. If he's just having fun.
He might be. I mean, I'm
That's
glad.
the kind of vibe.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting out of
He's
it.
just kind of like
He's just hanging out, having fun, yeah. He's not used to having people here.
nothing like the Gerald.
No, definitely not. We feel so much calmer and more welcome here than we did at the jail.
Yeah.
Is that Gloria? Good evening. That was a female. Hi.
Good evening.
Okay.
Are you happy that we're here? Hi. Is that I asked him if we were happy that we're here, and he said yes.
Thank you for coming forward to talk to us.
We mean no harm.
I do have the chills right now. Is anyone standing next to me right now? What?
Drowned.
Who drowned?
Did someone drown in that well that she was talking about? I don't know.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the well.
I'm in pain?
Oh my gosh.
Why are you in pain?
I'm so sorry. That was a cry. I wouldn't
Oh, keep
ouch.
talking.
It just said ouch.
Keep talking, sweetie. What are you in pain about? I need help.
We're gonna help as much as we can. We just need to know what you need help with. This is crazy.
What?
Blood. Did you shoved? Were you shoved down the well? Pushed. Oh my god.
You okay, sweetie?
K2's going crazy. Was that you, Gloria, that was pushed down the well? I feel a heavy feeling. Give us 1 second, please. Is she okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
She had where she couldn't breathe and she was really shaky.
I saw her. That's why I said, are you okay?
Yeah, she had tears in her eyes.
It's just because...
Do you need to step out, or?
She's female, and she's going to cling to female.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's...
One-
all you have to do is tell her, I'm here for you, but you can't take from me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't help you if you take from me. So we're just going to ask you...
Give me a second. Okay.
Yeah, you want to step out, you can. We'll pause recording.
You ready?
Alright guys, we're going to do a blind spirit box session. I have a live stream going right now, and I'm also going to record.
Thank you, Maddie.
Just going to get this all set up.
It's okay, after that, we're doing a blind spirit box session. So please ask questions if you have them.
Does
What do you have to say to us? Any messages at all? Do you watch?
6. Is it teaching? Abduct?
Are you male or female?
Rape?
Did a male or female rape you? How many of you are here?
It's innocent?
It's innocent.
Smile?
Can you tell me how many are here?
They attacked me?
Who attacked you? Can you tell us who? I'll listen to you.
Public appearance?
Yeah, that's what this is. It's called a live stream. You talking about a different public appearance?
Come on.
Huh?
Who is it?
Who is what?
Look.
Look where? Why do you need me to look? Do you know the name of the person who has the headphones on?
Respect
You respect them?
things.
Okay. You want us to respect your things, Kip? We will, I promise. We will put everything back. We won't touch anything that you don't...
Screaming.
Who's screaming?
My childhood.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you were harmed. I'm sorry they took your childhood.
Can't see me.
I wish I could. I don't see you. I'm sorry. You can show yourself if you like. If you want to show yourself, you can. I don't see you, but if you want
Partying.
to. Partying? There are parties here. I am behind Fluff, yes. No, I'm not behind Fluff. That's his shadow. I'm in front of him.
Here.
You here? Can you show yourself to one of us?
Yeah.
Okay, do that. It's okay. I promise you it's okay.
Screaming female.
It's okay. I will do all I can to keep you protected, but they can't harm you anymore.
One of the reasons.
They can't harm you anymore.
All night long, music's playing.
Were people partying?
Good enough.
Were people partying when you were attacked?
Biggest.
Spirit.
Spirit. Yes, okay, hi. You said you were going to show yourself. That looks like a hand print.
Where?
Wherever you want.
Kip.
Hi, Kip. Wherever you want. Show yourself. It's okay. Just don't harm us, but you can show yourself. You're not allowed to harm anybody in this group. I can't help you.
Hurt.
I know you're hurt. I know you're hurt. I can feel it. But they can't hurt you anymore. It's okay. Are they in the hallway?
Heaven.
You want to go to heaven? Or have you been to heaven? What about heaven?
It's not just...
It's not just what? How many were involved in your attack?
Is it you?
Is what me? I didn't attack anybody.
Would you rather?
Would I rather what? Can you say a word that will let me
Of the...
Babe?
Pull out.
No, it's me. It's me. Okay? Take a breath. You okay?
That's how I look like that yesterday.
A little bit. Take a breath. You're okay. Okay, you good. Over here.
A lot of screaming.
Okay. It happens. It happens in this stuff. Hey. Don't focus on it. That's not your pain. You can't take it. Okay? It's not yours. You can't help them by holding it. You have to understand it, but leave it where it is. Okay? Leave it where it is. It can't be changed. You can't help them that way. Okay? Take a deep breath. In and out. In and out.
Guys, so we just finished up a live stream and I just did a blind spirit box. We're gonna film upstairs a little bit, go through each room real quickly, just to kind of see what we can pick up or feel. And then we're gonna head downstairs, kind of scope the downstairs for you guys. And then we're gonna, I think, head to the next building. So that's the hallway that we had a camera set up in for a little bit. And this is a gentleman's office. His name's Kip. I'm not sure really what he did here. He was the manager of this place? Okay.
He helped with the restoration and that. This is just another room. They don't really have rhyme or reasons to the rooms. To be honest with you, we don't know what they're used for.
Yeah.
And the facility.
Ooh.
What?
I heard like a squeaking noise.
Okay.
Don't know if it was from
so
the...
frosty in this hallway.
It is.
I don't know why. It's so cold.
It's
And
really
cold
cold.
outside.
What is that down there? Oh, that's the stool. Okay. Thought that was somebody sitting.
That's a scene from that Krampus movie she said, where they filmed this as the children's
Classroom? Or...
classroom for the home that the children or something.
Yeah. So, they do have bedrooms here? Oh, it's really cold in here.
This is the one that they filmed the latest movie, Trivia. The lady said not to announce the name of the movie that they filmed in here. This is a movie set from it. So if you guys can identify it, that'd be kind of cool. They do a lot of filming here, she said.
They do, yes. It's another bed. It's just a bed frame. Old heater. Or furnace. They are still... Oh, that's the downstairs. Somebody's using the bathroom. This door's missing a hinge. That's why it looks like that. Okay.
Something like that.
Spider.
Look, Ma, a spider. They saw the Halloween decorations and stuff. These are photos of the town. They're so cool.
So this was Express 1910. Willow Street, now the taproom footbridge was lost in a flood donated by Ed Lewis. Yeah, they have to do all this all over again.
Because they had pipes burst.
That's how they lost all of the documents, I should say. All the history on this place. Huh?
So much damage.
Yeah, there is.
Very. They just got the approval to get the new windows put in, so all those windows are new. But they're trying to keep them as historically accurate as possible.
Yeah. And this is the main area. Main front door. It's over there.
Set up over here.